Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Passwords. Over here. Now click on My Passwords and tap on the one that you wish to delete. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Delete Password at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!